Not all trucks are created equal. Some could leave you stranded when you need them most. Stick around as we uncover the hidden flaws of the worst pickups in 2025 and reveal the smarter alternatives that are miles ahead. One truck's downfall will shock lifelong fans. Before we move on, I will like you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. What separates a great truck from one to avoid? It comes down to a few key factors: persistent design flaws, underwhelming performance, and disappointing reliability. Trucks with poorly executed engineering or outdated features often leave owners frustrated, regretting their purchase. Models failing in these categories have earned their place as 2025's worst options. The Jeep Gladiator is first on this list, presenting itself as a versatile, rugged choice, but falling far short of expectations. How does a truck designed for adventure end up being an everyday headache? Let's break it down. Number 1. Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is one of those vehicles that seems promising at first glance. It offers the adventurous spirit of a Wrangler with the added functionality of a pickup truck. But when you dig into the details, that balance starts to break down. At 218 inches, its extended wheelbase creates turning challenges, especially in tight urban spaces or tricky off-road spots. This isn't the kind of maneuverability you'd expect for its rugged reputation. On highways, wind noise becomes a constant companion, thanks to removable roof panels that also bring the risk of leaks during rainstorms. Inside, the Gladiator disappoints with cramped rear seats that make passengers feel like an afterthought. The outdated dashboard design piles controls together in a cluttered way, frustrating even simple tasks. And while storage is essential in any truck, the Gladiator's small compartments fall short of what most drivers need. Number 2. Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra has long been a symbol of reliability, but the 2025 model challenges that legacy in unexpected ways. Its oversized design, particularly the grille, dominates the front end visually, but offers no added functionality. Instead, this bulk creates frustrating visibility problems for drivers, making tight maneuvers unnecessarily difficult. The design feels more awkward than bold, leaving many unimpressed. Inside, things don't get much better. The interior materials feel cheap compared to competitors, a noticeable downgrade for a truck positioned as a dependable workhorse. Poorly placed controls add frustration, while the center console wastes space that could have been used for practical storage. Number 3. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has been a long-time favorite, but the 2025 model raises serious concerns about its practicality and value. While it's designed with off-road performance in mind, the high ground clearance creates a trade-off that impacts daily use. Simple tasks like getting in and out of the truck become inconvenient, especially for shorter drivers or anyone using it as a daily commuter. That functionality gap is hard to overlook. Then there's the question of cargo space. With limited bed length options, the Tacoma struggles to meet the demands of drivers who need versatile hauling capabilities. Inside, taller drivers will feel the squeeze with its cramped cabin, low roof, and high floor combination, making long trips uncomfortable. Number 4. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500 arrives with aspirations of being a premium truck, but several design choices hold it back. One of the first things you'll notice is the excessive use of chrome. While meant to add style, it comes across as flashy without serving any real purpose. The complex tailgate design, though marketed as innovative, adds unnecessary weight and increases the chances of mechanical issues over time. Aerodynamics is another weak spot. The wheel arches create turbulence at highway speeds, which not only increases road noise, but also reduces fuel efficiency. Inside, the problems continue. The infotainment system feels outdated and sluggish, making everyday tasks like adjusting navigation or media settings frustratingly slow. Controls are awkwardly placed, and the materials, with hard plastics where rivals offer softer finishes, fail to match the Sierra's premium price tag. Number 1. Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick is changing the game for compact trucks, giving buyers an alternative to bulky, traditional pickups. Its lower ride height makes it approachable and easy to drive, especially in city environments where space is tight. It doesn't just look different, it works differently, offering a car-like ride that still delivers solid utility. The Maverick's design prioritizes practicality. Its 4.5-foot bed might seem small, but it's packed with useful tools like built-in power outlets and multiple tie-down cleats, making it ideal for projects or hauling smaller loads. Despite its approachable size, it's no lightweight. It can handle up to 1,500 pounds of cargo and tow up to 4,000 pounds when properly equipped. Inside, it's cleverly designed with smart storage compartments and durable materials that are built for everyday use. Number 2, Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 has a reputation for blending power and comfort, and the 2025 model continues to raise the bar. Its bold, refined design is more than just eye-catching, it's functional. Features like the active air dam and optional air suspension aren't flashy add-ons. They actually improve aerodynamics and create a smoother, more efficient ride. These elements make the Ram 1500 stand out not just for its looks, but for how it performs on the road. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that feels closer to a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and thoughtful details create a high-end experience. The crew cab models elevate things further, offering reclining back seats with class-leading legroom. Number 3, Nissan Frontier. The 2025 Nissan Frontier brings the toughness of classic trucks into the modern age, offering a refreshing balance of functionality and practicality. Its squared-off body and rugged aesthetic are paired with updates like LED lights and an optional roof rack, combining traditional looks with useful contemporary features. This smart blend appeals to drivers seeking a truck that works hard without looking outdated. The cargo bed is where the Frontier stands out. Equipped with a factory-applied spray and bed liner and an adjustable tie-down system, it's built to handle everything from work supplies to weekend gear effortlessly. Inside, comfort meets durability with zero-gravity seats designed for reducing fatigue during long drives. These seats, paired with modern tech features like multiple USB ports and wireless smartphone connectivity, make the Frontier a comfortable and user-friendly ride. Number 4, Chevrolet Silverado HD. The Chevrolet Silverado HD doesn't hold back when it comes to making a statement. Its massive grille, bold hood scoop, and wide stance project raw power and capability, signaling that it's built for demanding tasks. Beyond its imposing exterior, the 2025 model also brings significant improvements to comfort and functionality. The upgraded interior materials and refined build quality show that the Silverado HD aims to be as satisfying as it is hardworking. Inside, technology takes center stage with a 13.4-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster dominating the dashboard. These screens are responsive and intuitive, making it easier for drivers to control everything from navigation to entertainment. In the crew cab configuration, passengers can stretch out comfortably thanks to the spacious rear seating, ideal for road trips or work crews. Adding to the appeal, sound insulation has been enhanced, reducing road noise and creating a quieter, more enjoyable driving experience. Number 5, Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline redefines what a pickup truck can be, borrowing elements from SUV design to create something entirely unique. Its unibody construction, a rarity for trucks, offers two major benefits: smoother aerodynamics and greater fuel efficiency. This integrated body and bed approach also produces sharper, sleeker lines compared to the typical boxy truck silhouette, appealing to drivers who value refinement over ruggedness. But it's the improved handling that truly sets it apart, giving the Ridgeline a more car-like driving experience that's perfect for city streets or long commutes. Inside, the Ridgeline continues to prioritize comfort and practicality. The cabin feels spacious and polished, thanks to carefully selected materials and intuitive design. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, while hidden storage compartments throughout the interior add extra functionality. Not all trucks live up to their promises, and the 2025 lineup proves it. Some models shine with thoughtful designs and dependability, while others fail where it matters most. Trucks like the Jeep Gladiator attempt bold combinations but fall short with impractical features and reliability issues. On the other hand, the Ford Maverick offers smart, modern features that resonate with today's drivers. The takeaway? Prioritize research over flashy branding. A truck's performance, practicality, and reliability will always outweigh appearances. If this helped, subscribe for more insights, because the smartest investments come down to understanding what really matters before you buy.